Careers Zone YouTube channel. So here we will be giving you an regular updates regarding job openings pan India and as well as pan world. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Moving to next job number 80. Job role will be HR recruiter team lead. Two positions are available. This is for IT company and work from home available, and also Bangalore, Pune, Gurgaon. Three locations are available. Requirement minimum fresher. Salary will be 4 lakh to 6 lakh per annum, and we have provided contact number. You can directly contact them. Job number 81. Job role will be senior recruiter. Company name IT company. Job locations Bangalore, Whitefield. Minimum 5 years experience in IT recruitment. Salary will be 10 lakhs per annum, and we have provided the contact number. You can directly contact to them. Okay friends. Now moving to next job. Job number 82. Job role will be HR executive. Company name Corner Tree Consulting. Job location Bangalore. Requirements freshers they are expecting. So salary will be 4 lakh to 6 lakh per annum. So we have provided email ID. You can directly contact to them. Okay friends. Now moving to next job. Job number 83. Job role will be BPO executive. Company will be consulting company. Job locations Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Kolkata. These all locations remotely available. Okay, you can do work from home. Freshers can apply. Salary will be 25k CTC, and we have provided contact number. Moving to next job. Job number 84. Job role will be HR recruiter. Company name consultant company. Job location Bangalore. Requirement freshers, and salary will be 6 lakh per annum, and we have provided the email ID. You can directly contact to this email ID friends. Now moving to next job. Job number 85. In the job number 85, job role will be Jana Small Finance Bank. Job location Bangalore, and education is graduate up to 6.5 lakh LPA they are offering. So you can directly contact to Harini. So here some mistake is there. Job role will be different. Company name was Jana Small Finance Bank. Okay. Moving to next job. Job number 86. Job role will be Senior Business Development Manager BDM. Okay. K-Night Learning Solutions Private Limited. Company name. Location will be Bangalore, NCR Pan India. 7+ years they are expecting. Up to 12 lakh per annum they are offering. So you can directly contact to the provided email ID. Okay. Anchal. Moving to next job. Job number 87. HR recruiter team lead HR executive. So digital agency. The company will be digital agency company. Permanent work from home jobs they are offering. This company will be locating in Bangalore. Minimum graduate they are expecting 4 to 6 lakh per annum offering, and we have provided contact number. You can directly contact them. Okay. Now moving to next job. Job number 88. Job role will be GLA accounting. Okay. Think Global company name. Location will be Bangalore and Chennai. Requirement minimum 1 to 2 years experience they are expecting, with strong Excel skills. Up to 10 lakh per annum they are packaging. They are offering the package. We have provided Lakshmi email ID. Okay. Moving to next job. Job number 89. Job role will be HR team leader, payroll process. Company name MindClick, job location Bangalore, requirement freshers and graduate can apply. Salary will be up to 6 lakh per annum they are offering. So you can directly contact to HR Samra and HR Joya, and we are moving to next job number 90. Job role business analyst, data analyst. This is for IT company. Work from home, hybrid, both are available. Graduate, BBA, MBA persons can apply. 5 to 45k in hand they are offering. Sorry, it's job number 91. In job number 91, branch recruiter. So company name will be Koya Consulting Inc. Job location Bangalore. Freshers and experience can apply. 1 to 2 years, 1 lakh to 2.5 years experience they are expecting. In job number 92, business development executive role they are expecting. Company name will be Jana Small Finance Bank. Job location Bangalore. Education graduate, 5 lakh per annum they are offering. So you can directly contact to Harini, the provided contact number. Okay friends. Moving to job number 93. In job number 93, job role will be Allied Relationship Manager and Branch Operations Manager. Company name Jana Small Finance Bank. Job location Bangalore. Education will be graduate. Salary up to 7 lakh per annum they are offering, and you can directly contact to Harini. Job number 94. In job number 94, job role will be end-to-end accounting position they are offering, and company name will be Finax Global. Job location Bangalore and Chennai. 3 to 4 positions available. 10 lakh per annum they are offering. Okay, you can directly contact the provided email ID. Now moving to job number 95. In job number 95, job role will be HR executive, accounting executive, quality analyst. Company name IT company. Job location work from home, hybrid. Requirement graduate, BBA, MBA. Salary will be 5 to 45k in hand they are offering. So you can directly contact to the provided email ID. Now moving to job number 96. In the job number 96, job role will be C plus .NET Core Consultant. Company name Harmon India. Job location Bangalore. So they need to have SQL knowledge and other knowledge which we have displaying in the dashboard. So up to 15 lakh per annum they are offering. Okay, moving to next job number 97. Job role will be AWS data engineer. AWS data engineer, job number 97. So Gurgaon, Pune, Bangalore available. 4 to 8 years experience they are expecting. 8 lakh to 17 lakh per annum they are offering the package. You can directly contact to Muskan. Okay, now moving to next job number 98. Full stack platform engineer or senior DevOps engineer. The company name will be Source B. Job location Bangalore. Requirement 4 to 8 years experience they are expecting. 10 lakh to 17 lakh per annum they are offering the package. Okay, you can directly contact to Amit. Moving to next job number 99. Mid level data engineer, senior data engineer, data quality rule developer. These are the positions available in source B company. Job location will be Bangalore. Expectation means 4 to 8 years experience they are expecting. 10 lakh to 17 lakh per annum they are offering. Okay friends. Job number 100. HR recruiter. Job role will be company name Wellness and Fitness Services. Services, not services. Okay. Job location will be Bangalore. So requirement graduate can apply. 3 to 8 lakh per annum they are offering. We can directly connect to the provided number. So now moving to job number 101. Job role will be HR recruiter, IT company. This is location will be Bangalore. Requirement graduate, postgraduate, and salary will be 5 to 10 lakh they are offering, and we have provided contact number. You can directly connect to the HR. Okay. Now moving to next job. Job number 102. In this job, the positions are available for HR recruiter, HR executive, and associate HR. So digital agency company offering these roles. Job location will be Bangalore. 12th passouts can apply. 2 lakh to 9 lakh per annum they are offering the package. Okay friends, you can directly connect to the provided contact number. Now moving to job number 103. In this job number 103, positions are available for HR recruiter and work source consultant company offering this job. So job location will be Bangalore, Bellandur, and 3 to 5 years experience they are expecting. Up to 5 lakh package they are offering. You can directly connect to